Harley Quinn. I don't need no Mr. J. I actually already did my foundation, so now I'm going to do my powder. This is a no color powder. Now I'm taking my big brush, big fluffy brush. I can't actually watch the Harley Quinn movie because it's not for kids, but I saw her makeup and it was so cool, so I decided to do it. Now we're gonna do pink for Harley Quinn's eyeshadow. I'm going to take a flat brush, that one, and I'm going to take the color and put it on. This can be messy because Harley Quinn's makeup is pretty messy. Boom, just like that is done. Because hers is just regular pink eyeshadow. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take this black and put it in my waterline because she's got black all around her eye. Make sure you're doing this very soft. And then you have to do it on top, which I'm gonna try not to mess it up. And it doesn't really matter because, again, her makeup is messy. Now I'm going to do my mascara. Use Big Shot because that's the best. A little wrinkle. I already got freckles on my nose, but the most important part is to make a face like this. My trick is I do a little bit of mascara, then I curl them because it makes it so it sticks up. And then I do more of this. Right, that stuff. I curl those and then do more. So it's darker and gooder. That's what Kenny would say. Should go gooder. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. They're pretty dark, but they're thin. So mine are pretty thin, right? So hers are like mine, so I'm just gonna trace over mine. Just use a darker eyeshadow for this. That's what I'm doing. Now I'm going to do my lips. So I'm going to outline it. It's got red lips, so I'm doing red. It's a darker red on the outer and then a lighter part on the middle. I'm just using a red liquid lipstick. It smells like cherries. This Maybelline one's good. Again, this can be a little messy because this is Harley Quinn. Now we're adding some contour and blush. So I'm taking a little bit of this contour, which doesn't have too much, right in the hollows of the cheeks, right there. Now, finished that. I'm gonna do the blush. We're gonna do kind of a lighter pink, so this way. So I'm going to take some liquid liner and do a heart and a rotten. And my mom's gonna help me with this because it's hard to do hearts and draw on your face. So I need to stretch. I haven't stretched yet. Now all we have to do is the wig. I didn't have a new haircut, so I'm gonna make it. We're gonna put the wig on, and then we're gonna make the wig and cut it and style it how hers is. My mom's gonna come help me also.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the bangs for Daya so that they're a lot shorter, and then we're gonna put them up in pigtails. I'm gonna keep some of this long hair towards the front out because we'll kind of chop that around her face. We can do this super messy because Harley Quinn has messy hair, so
it's the most messiest part about her. Now, time for the cutting.
So it's mostly jagged towards the front. So we're gonna start by just cutting it across. Just kind of cutting these pieces to kind of frame around her face.
Time to cut. That's a lot of hair. Well, that took 2 seconds. Now we have to spray the ends. Wow, the blues look cool. Now I'm Harley Quinn. I don't need no Mr. J. Girl power. Ow. Harley out.